Hi everybody, here is the seasonal planning hub for summer that I put together for you. Now this comes directly from my seasonal lifestyle planner, which I have here, which if you already bought yours during the Kickstarter, you know exactly what this is. But for everybody else, each planner comes with 4 of these seasonal planning hubs. So this is the summer one. This opens, and then it opens again. There's this very cool fold out, and it has your 3 months right here. So you have June, July, August. You plan your entire season kind of right here in this planning hub. You sit down and have a planning sesh. And this is really going to reduce the amount of time that you spend on your planner. You kind of have quarterly meetings with yourself, and that's really going to reduce what you have to do on a monthly basis or on a weekly basis. And the very cool part about this is when you're in your weekly view, you can see your calendar page whenever you want it, and then that can fold in if you don't need it. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. This is the PDF. It comes with a quick start guide, the summer at a glance 3 months, June, July, August. Comes with the vision and goals page and the routines page. So you're gonna have this guide here to guide you exactly how to use these. But first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in your calendar pages with any sort of anything that has a date, a due date. Bills, birthdays, appointments, school schedules, sports, work, bills, vacation. Anything that you already have that is in your schedule goes on here, and you're going to not do 1 month, you're going to do all 3 months so that you can see your entire season planned out for you. Next thing you're going to do is complete the vision and goals section. Now you can see I have an empty notes area, health, wealth, family, friends, household, and intimacy, and then I leave 2 blank at the bottom. So these are the key elements that you need to balance in your life, and if you neglect any one of these, you're going to probably feel it, and something's going to feel off. Even if things are going great in 1 or 2 of these areas, if one of them is completely neglected, it's going to throw everything off. Now what's important is that you don't just wish list these things, is that you take these things that you're going to be writing on here and actually calendar them. For example, if I say for my wealth section I want to work on a budget, I'm going to say, okay, what time do I have available? Okay, I have some time on Saturday. Saturday, I'm going to work on my budget for an hour. And that's how you're going to do this whole section. And then the last part is the routines page. This is probably my favorite part, is whatever you wrote down in here in your vision and goals, your routines are going to support whatever goals you have for yourself for this season. So that's going to be, for example, let's say we want to walk 3 times a week. We're in our health, we wrote down we want to walk. So you're going to say, let's see, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. You're going to walk. So you're going to write that down in the weekly section because there's daily, weekly, monthly. And this could be for anything. It's chores, fitness, self-care, family time, work, spiritual, any routines that you want to establish, you can build out here on this page. And you have your morning routine space and an evening routine space. And then down here at the bottom, you have your seasonal chores and big projects. So seasonal chores, those are the things that you do every season. Like say it's summer. Every summer you got to get the pool cleaned off, or you need to pull out all the swim stuff and see, make sure everybody still has suits. Do you have sunscreen? Do you have all the things that you're going to need for your summer? And then big projects. Okay, so that's going to be like, that's not going to be your usual chores and like the routines that you do day to day. The big projects are going to be like cleaning out your basement or the attic or detailing your car, like things that like have to get done, but they're just sitting in the background because they haven't been scheduled. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have some more supportive materials coming out. Let me know if you want more examples and how-tos. And best of luck and have the best summer ever.